Are Chinese electric cars safe? Or are people buying something risky without knowing? You've probably seen the headlines. Battery fires, cheap manufacturing, doubts about quality. But here's the truth. Most of that thinking is outdated. China is no longer experimenting with electric vehicles. It is leading the global EV market. Companies like BYD, NIO, and XPeng are producing millions of electric cars every year. And these cars aren't just staying in China. They are being sold in Europe and other regions with strict safety standards. If they weren't safe, they wouldn't be allowed in. Now let's talk about crash safety. Independent programs like Euro NCAP have tested these vehicles, and some are scoring the highest ratings possible. For example, the BYD Atto 3 earned a 5-star safety rating. Strong structure, proper airbag deployment, real passenger protection. These are real tests, not marketing claims. Now, the biggest concern? Battery fires. Here's what most people don't realize. Electric vehicle fires are actually less common than petrol car fires, and battery technology has improved significantly. For example, BYD uses the Blade battery. It's designed to handle heat, resist punctures, and reduce fire risk. So the risk isn't zero, but it is controlled, and often lower than people assume. Now, let's talk about build quality. Years ago, Chinese cars had a reputation for being cheap. That has changed. Today's models offer better materials, tighter assembly, and more refined interiors. In some cases, they compete directly with brands like Toyota and Volkswagen, often at a lower price. Now, safety isn't just about surviving a crash, it's also about avoiding one. Modern Chinese EVs come with advanced driver assistance systems, lane keeping assist, collision warnings, adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras. Companies like XPeng are even pushing into autonomous driving. These systems don't just protect you, they actively help prevent accidents. Now here's the part most people won't tell you. Not every Chinese electric car is equal. The real risk is buying from unknown brands without support. No spare parts, no service network, no trained technicians. That's where problems happen. So the smarter approach is simple. Choose established brands with proven track records and real support. So, are Chinese electric cars safe? Yes, if you choose the right one. They meet global safety standards, they use advanced battery technology, and they're improving fast. The fear is mostly based on the past, but the reality today is different. If you're considering an electric car, don't just ask where it's made. Ask if it's tested, ask if it's supported, ask if it's proven. That's what really determines safety.